Hello, I'm Dr. Clifford Bliss with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and I'm here to briefly review our dressing kit for ingrown toenails. So following an ingrown toenail procedure, your doctor will provide you with instructions on how to change your dressings. They might vary from doctor to doctor, but this is basically the gist of it. You've got your saline wound wash here. Typically after a shower or before a wound dressing change, you're going to irrigate the wound out with some saline, make it nice and clean. After that, you're going to dry it off, and here you've got some hydrogel wound ointment. You're going to spray just a little bit of that right inside the wound, just a dab is enough. And then you're going to layer a piece of gauze over here right on top of it, just loosely wrap it around, and then you're going to close the whole thing over with a little bit of this Coban wrap. And this part is crucial. The main thing you want to do here is make sure that you don't do this too tight with this layer, otherwise you can create a sore.